Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. The cards reveal that today is a perfect time to socialize and expand your network. You're ready to make significant transitions in both your lifestyle and career. Focus on tasks that require communication and collaboration, as they can bring fruitful results. Stay determined to accomplish what you set out to do, but remember to strike a balance to avoid overexertion. Health and wellness today. Your decision-making is swift, and your planetary alignment exudes an abundance of energy. Channel this energy into taking proactive steps for your health. Start with simple yet impactful changes, prioritize quality sleep, choose nutritious meals, and steer clear of fried foods. A well-balanced routine will provide the foundation for sustained vitality. Love and relationship today. Today, caring for an elderly relative may demand some of your attention. While you may feel preoccupied, your partner will step up with incredible emotional and practical support. Their contribution might even extend to financial matters. Show gratitude for their unwavering presence, even with small gestures. It will strengthen your bond. Career and money today. Today brings exciting prospects on the career front. If you've been feeling undervalued at work, expect a complete turnaround. You might receive a job offer with impressive pay and perks. However, this opportunity could require relocation. Take time to evaluate the pros and cons, and involve your loved ones in the decision-making process for a smoother transition. Taurus horoscope today. Today, the stars urge you to step out of your comfort zone. Sticking too rigidly to conventional methods might leave you feeling stagnant. Embrace change and try something new. This could be a turning point that brings excitement and growth to your life. The first step may feel daunting, but the rewards will be worth it. About your health and wellness today. Expect the unexpected on the health front today. Surprising events might take you off guard, but they are aligned with your journey towards self-improvement. Pay close attention to the signs the universe is sending. Deciphering the right direction now could lead to transformative progress in your overall well-being. About your love and relationship today. Today brings clarity to your love life. You might uncover some key information about your partner, shedding light on their recent confusing signals. This newfound understanding can reshape your perspective and influence your future course of action. Stay open-minded and flexible to adapt to evolving dynamics. About your career and money today. Good news on the financial front awaits you. Unexpectedly, some lost wealth may make its way back to you, easing your financial pressures. Use this opportunity to meet pressing obligations, but exercise caution. Spend wisely and set aside savings to prepare for ongoing commitments. A balanced approach will secure your financial stability. Gemini horoscope today. Today, your ego might cloud your judgment and interactions. This could lead to conflicts, particularly with someone in authority. Whether this works in your favor depends on how tactful and diplomatic you can be. The best approach is to listen to your head, avoid impulsive reactions, and handle situations with poise. About your health and wellness today. Your sedentary habits have taken a toll on your body, and it's time to turn things around. Begin an exercise routine to rebuild your strength and stamina, as you might soon need to undertake a physically demanding task. Stress relief is essential, and it starts with addressing your diet. Unhealthy eating is unknowingly adding to your stress. Focus on balanced, nutritious meals for better well-being. About your love and relationship today. Your empathetic nature might attract people seeking your sympathy today. Be mindful not to misinterpret their intentions. For those in a relationship, the day encourages you to spend meaningful, quiet moments with your partner. Share your thoughts in a way that strengthens your bond and fosters mutual understanding. About your career and money today. Workplace dynamics might take a romantic turn today. Be cautious about maintaining professionalism if love and work intertwine. A secret work assignment could create tension with your partner. Openly communicate the importance of confidentiality, and they'll likely support you. Financially, the day promises stability and even growth. Ensure you manage your gains wisely to maintain balance. Cancer horoscope today. Today, your creative energy is at its peak. Dive deep into your imagination, as it holds the key to luck and happiness. Focus on logical outcomes and channel your energy strategically to uncover hidden treasures within yourself. It's also an excellent day to explore investment opportunities. Let go of overcautiousness and trust your instincts. About your health and wellness today. Health requires special attention today, particularly your dietary habits. Stomach issues like indigestion may arise, and neglect could lead to more serious concerns. Avoid junk, deep-fried foods, and sugary snacks to stay on the safe side. If you have chronic health conditions, take extra precautions. A light exercise routine or adequate rest will support your well-being. About your love and relationship today. Spending quality time with loved ones will be a highlight today. However, avoid being overly assertive in your interactions, as it may disrupt harmony. Your partner may need space to process and meet your expectations. To keep the mood light and joyful, consider a relaxing trip or enjoy soothing music together. About your career and money today. Your dedication and hard work will not go unnoticed. The day promises substantial monetary rewards, especially from past investments that are now paying off. Stay focused and avoid carelessness in your work, as it could lead to liabilities. Make the most of this rewarding day by giving your best effort to responsibilities. Leo horoscope today. An imbalance between your personal and professional life might feel overwhelming today. The key to navigating this is by setting clear boundaries and organizing your daily schedule effectively. Although you've been giving less attention to loved ones recently, they recognize and appreciate your commitment. Stay steady, and balance will be restored. About your health and wellness today. Seasonal illnesses like viral colds or fevers could trouble you today, so take preventive measures to stay ahead of them. Your consistent efforts toward a healthier lifestyle are beginning to show results, bringing a sense of well-being and positivity. Prioritize rest and relaxation to boost your recovery and resilience. About your love and relationship today. Feelings of insecurity and restlessness might cloud your mind today. If trust issues with your partner surface, take some time to reflect on what's causing these emotions. A brief period of self-analysis can help you regain confidence in yourself and your relationship, leaving you feeling more connected and assured. About your career and money today. On the job front, you can expect significant support from friends, colleagues, or your partner, helping you stay on track with your tasks. Expressing gratitude for their assistance will strengthen these bonds. Financially, cash flow improves, making it a good day to plan big-ticket purchases. However, be mindful of your spending, as saving might be challenging. Virgo horoscope today. Today, you are ready to assert yourself and claim your power. After a long period of feeling cornered, a planetary boost fills you with renewed confidence and determination. You might rely on your instincts to make key decisions, and rest assured, they will guide you well. Stay firm in your approach and trust your capabilities. About your health and wellness today. It's time to prioritize your health by steering clear of junk foods. Overindulgence in unhealthy eating recently has started to show its effects. Take control today, eliminate junk foods and focus on a diet rich in fiber and nutrients. A disciplined approach will not only boost your fitness but also help you feel and look younger. About your love and relationship today. Misunderstandings might arise in your relationship today. While your actions stemmed from good intentions, you may not have fully considered how they would affect your partner. Be patient and open to dialogue. It's the best way to resolve any tension and restore harmony in your relationship. About your career and money today. Your efforts at work today will demand your full dedication. While you've been supportive of others in the past, it's clear that not everyone values your contributions. Instead of focusing on their indifference, channel your emotions into your work. Let your commitment to excellence speak for itself. Attach meaning to your tasks, not the opinions of those who don't appreciate you. Libra horoscope today. Your mind is buzzing with ideas and inspiration today. This is a day to brainstorm, create, and execute plans with ease. However, the sheer volume of thoughts may feel overwhelming, so prioritize what's most important. Your enthusiasm will also motivate those around you to elevate their energy and productivity. About your health and wellness today. Your creativity is peaking, but it may bring along an increased workload. Combat this stress by indulging in a relaxing massage, preferably with aromatherapy. Regular exercise can also be your ally, helping you maintain the physical and mental stamina needed to face your daily challenges with confidence. About your love and relationship today. It's time for a fresh start in your love life. You may choose to let go of a past relationship that no longer serves you or bring a renewed passion to your current partnership. Your boundless energy is ready to infuse your romantic life with positivity, taking it to new heights. About your career and money today. Today may present challenges for those taking exams or assessments. Stay optimistic and push through any negative energy. It can make all the difference. When it comes to finances, exercise caution, especially when lending money, as there's a chance of deceit. Avoid giving out large sums for now. Scorpio horoscope today. Collaboration is the key to your success today, Scorpio. Individual efforts may encounter obstacles, but working in a team can help overcome any challenges. Cooperation and partnerships will bring remarkable progress, whether at work or home. Trust in the power of collective effort, and success will naturally follow. About your health and wellness today. Your health is in good shape overall, but the increasing demands of life call for extra attention to your diet. Incorporate vitamins A, C, and E into your meals to boost your immune system. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body fit and energetic. About your love and relationship today. A memory from a past relationship may resurface today. Resist the urge to dwell on bitter experiences. Instead, focus on the present and remain open to new connections. You may encounter someone who reminds you of joyful days gone by. Let this be the start of a promising relationship. Nurture it patiently and watch it grow. About your career and money today. Your workplace is set to thrive under your positive energy today. This is the perfect day to tackle any pending or challenging tasks you've been avoiding. You'll find yourself completing more than expected, clearing backlogs, and impressing those around you. Let this momentum inspire others to work with renewed enthusiasm. Sagittarius horoscope today. Be cautious today, Sagittarius. Someone close to you might attempt to use your ideas for their personal gain. Keep your innovative thoughts to yourself and stay vigilant. This is a time for patience and observation. True allies will reveal themselves, so focus on safeguarding your interests and evaluating your circle of trust. About your health and wellness today. Your emotional sensitivity is heightened today. You might feel the urge to retreat into your comfort zone, but remember that this is a passing phase. Embrace your feelings while staying committed to your fitness goals. Your dedication to self-care will provide stability during this emotional wave. About your love and relationship today. Your adventurous spirit may lead to a less than stellar blind date experience today. While it might feel awkward in the moment, take it as a humorous chapter in your journey to find love. The future holds promise. A smart and attractive person is on the horizon. Until then, enjoy the ride and embrace the lessons. About your career and money today. As you navigate the early stages of your career, it's crucial to reflect on both your past actions and future aspirations. Avoid hasty decisions, as they might have long-term implications. Financially, an unexpected gain, possibly through inherited wealth, may brighten your day. Use this wisely to secure your future. Capricorn horoscope today. Patience is your greatest ally today, Capricorn. Time may feel like it's dragging, but use this phase to align your priorities. Personal goals may need to take a backseat as commitments or relationships demand your attention. Focus on effective communication to avoid misunderstandings with your partner. With careful planning, you can strike a balance and manage both personal and external responsibilities. About your health and wellness today. Stomach issues might leave you feeling irritable, but the root cause lies in your dietary habits. To alleviate both physical discomfort and mental stress, start making better food choices. Partnering with a diet buddy could provide the motivation you need to stay on track. Small, consistent changes will help you regain vitality and energy. About your love and relationship today. Today calls for introspection in your love life. You'll remove the rose-tinted glasses and gain a clear understanding of what you truly want from your relationship. This mature perspective will help you set realistic expectations and understand how much you're willing to invest emotionally in your partnership. About your career and money today. Seeking advice regarding your career or finances will work in your favor today. Listen to professionals or trusted confidants, as their guidance can open new avenues for growth. The day holds special promise for engineers and software developers, with opportunities for job changes or assignments in a different region or country. Embrace change. It could be the step forward you've been waiting for. Aquarius horoscope today. Today brings an exciting opportunity for intellectual growth, Aquarius. A lively association with someone entertaining will spark insightful conversations, giving you a deeper understanding of others' perspectives. Take this chance to learn and be inspired. If you're thinking about family trips, take charge by volunteering to make plans. You might just end up at the destination you've been dreaming about. About your health and wellness today. It seems your stubborn streak is hindering your progress when it comes to developing healthy habits. It's time to put your health first. Be equally persistent in taking proper rest, going to the gym, and eating balanced meals. Healthy habits require commitment. Your determination can make all the difference in maintaining your well-being. About your love and relationship today. Celebrations are on the horizon for you, Aquarius. Married couples may experience personal fulfillment, like marking another year of togetherness or welcoming a new baby. For those who are unmarried, it's a day of approval from family members who have long opposed your relationship. The energy around your love life is positive and uplifting. About your career and money today. Today is a day of focus and discipline. While the mood may lean towards speculation, your ability to stay focused on your work will help you make the most of the day. Whether you're at the office or working from home, keep your head down and push through. Working from home will help you conserve energy, time, and money. Perhaps even treat yourself to something special after your productive day. Pisces horoscope today. Today is looking exceptionally favorable for you, Pisces. Your charming personality continues to draw others in, and whatever you take on today is likely to be a success. Your communication skills and courteous nature have brought you to where you are now. Keep shining and don't let ego or trickery get in your way. About your health and wellness today. It's time to focus on your spiritual well-being. Seek out those who are spiritually oriented to help you find the peace and solace your soul is craving. If you've been feeling upset or struggling with issues like obesity, it might be hard to concentrate, but spirituality can provide the inner strength you need to regain focus and clarity. About your love and relationship today. Romance is in the air. It's time to show your partner just how much they mean to you. Don't take your relationship for granted. This is the perfect moment to go the extra mile. A thoughtful gift, a romantic dinner, or a small intimate gesture will elevate your connection and bring you closer together. About your career and money today. Be mindful of increasing travel costs as they may be affecting your finances. Unfortunately, office politics are not working in your favor right now, but don't let that discourage you. Keep pushing forward in your usual manner. Your hard work may lead to a promotion soon. Stay focused, as jealousy from others will only grow stronger. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.